Hello, here is a problem. We need to find equation of this reciprocal function. As we can see, the reciprocal function x horizontal asymptote and the vertical asymptote both have shifted, right? So in general, what should be the equation of this function? In general, the equation is of the form of f of x equals to ax plus b over cx plus d. Correct? Now, let's start from the vertical asymptote. So what is the equation of vertical asymptote? This is at x equals to 1, right? So at x equals to 1, we have a vertical asymptote. Therefore, denominator should be x minus 1, correct? That's one part. Now, second is, how about the horizontal asymptote? The equation of horizontal asymptote here is y equals to 1. So y equals to 1 tells us that a over c, that ratio should be 1. Is it okay? So when this is y equals to 1, that means when vertical asymptote, let's say horizontal asymptote is y equals to 1, that implies that a over c equals to 1, correct? Now, when vertical asymptote is x equals to 1, it implies that cx plus d or minus d over c should be 1, right? I mean, correct? This could be 1 only if there's a factor of x minus 1 here, right? Okay, so that means x equals to minus d over c, which is 1, okay? Now, given these two scenarios, it is better for us to assume one value. Let's assume a as 1. If a is 1, then c is also 1. And if c is 1, d should be minus 1. Is that okay? So that sorts out many things at one shot. So we will assume those values and then check our calculation. So tentatively, we can write f of x is equals to, we are saying here a is 1. So we write x plus b over x minus 1. Now, to get the value of b, what should we do? We can take a point. This seems to be a good point for us. So when x is 0, the value is minus 1. So we say f of 0 equals to minus 1 for us, right? And we'll put 0 here. So 0, 0 will make 0 plus b over 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. So that leaves us with b over minus 1 is minus 1, or b equals to 1. Perfect. So once we do this, we get b equals to 1. So now b equals to 1. So we can say now our equation seems to be x plus 1 over x minus 1. Now, this is a good thing, but we can test whether our equation is right or wrong. Let's test it with this point. So this point is at x equals to minus 1, we should get y equals to 0. Okay, let's check. If I put x as minus 1, yes, minus 1 plus 1, 0, right? And divided by minus 2, it still gives 0. That seems to be just a perfect solution for this. Therefore, safely, we can now write our solution of the reciprocal function as f of x equals to x plus 1 over x minus 1. I hope you understand how we did it. We could have approached in different ways, but for example, the good part here is we have to take into consideration vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So let's check our equation in a different way. Do we get a vertical asymptote at x equals to 1 from here? Yes, we do. Do we get a horizontal asymptote at y equals to 1 from here? Yes. The coefficients of a and c are same. So 1 over 1 is 1. And these are our x and y intercepts. So do we get them? If I plug in x equals to 0, I get what? I get 1 over minus 1, which is minus 1. So my y-intercept is satisfied. Similarly, if I put x equals to minus 1, I get a 0. So in all ways, this equation seems to be a perfect solution. Correct? So I think that's the way this equation should be. Okay, thank you.